Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today we're diving into the Would You Rather snacks and junk food edition. Alright, let's get started. Would you rather eat a cheesy slice of pizza or enjoy a big juicy burger? Would you rather munch on crispy French fries or snack on loaded nachos? Would you rather have a Hershey's chocolate bar or devour a Reese's peanut butter cup? Would you rather eat a glazed Krispy Kreme donut or have a chocolate-covered donut? Would you rather sip on Coca-Cola or drink a refreshing Pepsi? Would you rather eat most spiciest chips in the world or mystery gift? Like this video. Would you rather eat a classic crunchy taco or devour a cheesy burrito? Would you rather snack on hot Cheetos or munch on tacos? Would you rather eat crispy chicken nuggets or bite into spicy chicken wings? Would you rather eat a Domino's pizza or grab a Pizza Hut slice? Would you rather have soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies or eat crunchy Oreo cookies? Let's test your luck. Choose your gift. Comment what you get. Would you rather enjoy a Twix bar or eat a Snickers bar? Would you rather eat classic vanilla ice cream or enjoy rich chocolate ice cream? Would you rather eat a loaded hot dog or munch on a corn dog? Would you rather have a grilled cheese sandwich or enjoy a PB&J sandwich? Would you rather subscribe the channel or mystery gift? Lick a lemon. Would you rather drink a Starbucks Frappuccino or enjoy a Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee? Would you rather eat Skittles or munch on M&Ms? Would you rather eat buttery movie theater popcorn or snack on sweet caramel popcorn? Would you rather munch on beef jerky or eat a combo snack mix? Would you rather eat a rich chocolate cake or devour a classic cheesecake? Would you rather enjoy a Boston cream donut or eat a jelly-filled donut? Would you rather have Wendy's natural cut fries or eat McDonald's world-famous fries? Would you rather eat a Big Mac from McDonald's or enjoy a Whopper from Burger King? Would you rather eat a Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme or enjoy a cheesy Gordita Crunch? Would you rather munch on Cheetos Puffs or eat a bag of Doritos Cool Ranch? Would you rather eat fluffy pancakes with syrup or munch on waffles with whipped cream? Would you rather eat crispy bacon strips or have sausage links? Would you rather enjoy a Kit Kat bar or have a Milky Way bar? Would you rather eat Chick-fil-A nuggets or enjoy McDonald's McNuggets? Would you rather drink Gatorade or drink Powerade? Would you rather snack on Cheez-Its or munch on Goldfish crackers? Would you rather eat an Oreo donut or enjoy a caramel donut? Would you rather eat a S. Moret's ice cream sandwich or devour a cookie dough twist? Would you rather enjoy chicken tenders or eat sesame chicken? Would you rather eat churros with cinnamon sugar or enjoy a flaky croissant? Would you rather eat Cajun-style fries or have plain salted fries? Would you rather eat smiley potato fries or munch on Dino nuggets? Would you rather eat a peanut butter and chocolate milkshake or enjoy a cookies and cream milkshake? That was one delicious challenge. Which snack was the hardest choice for you? Comment below. And if you love food quizzes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Jumbo Quiz, share with your friends and challenge them. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next quiz.